Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to put overlay and make it transparent using Capcut for PC. So for example, I'm going to add clip here and then I'm going to make this photo as an overlay, how to just moving it up like this, and I'm going to make it transparent, how to just set the opacity like this, and you can change mode by darken like this. So here we go, just simple. That's how to put overlay and make it transparent using Capcut for PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciation as your thanks. Bye bye.